And welcome to you, Serbia.
Thank you so much.
You have just been on stage, and what is your first impression of the stage and your rehearsal?
The stage is so beautiful, and I really like. I couldn't imagine it in 3D, 4D when I was looking at the pictures, but now when I see it, it's very powerful and it has good energy. So I really love the stage.
I noticed that your dancers in the middle of the song takes off some clothes, and then we have a lot of colors on the stage. What is the idea behind this?
Well, the song is called Beauty Never Lies, and the song is about just be what you are and not care what other people think and how other people see you, because if you are honest and if you are you yourself, people are going to recognize it and you're going to be beautiful to them because of that.
And I was, of course, in Serbia when you hosted the Eurovision 2008, but if I was coming to visit you, what would you show me in Serbia?
There are a lot of things that I would show you. For example, if you're to come to Belgrade, I would have shown you Skadarlija, that's the bohemian part of the city, and a few houses, old houses in Belgrade that used to be from our, well, let's say, big personalities in our history. And of course, if you were to come to Serbia, I would have taken you everywhere. We have hills, beautiful forests, beautiful national parks. So there's a lot of things I would have shown you. But firstly, I would have taken you somewhere to eat. Yeah, that's the first thing, and then everything else.
Sounds very good to me. My last question is that I would like you to tell me something that you haven't told any other journalist so far. Maybe a deep, dark secret or some special thing about you?
Well, I don't have dark secrets, but I can tell you that I haven't told anyone this, but I love to sing under shower and while I'm cooking, and I really love to make cakes.
Don't we all?
Don't we all, yeah.
Hvala.
Thank you. Hvala vam.